As populations age and the incidence of diabetes continues to rise across the developed world, Singapore, like all cities, needs to encourage its citizens to eat smart and well.
We wanted to deploy food and beverages as a tool to manage. It could be health, it could be wellness, it could be performance, and of course also for fitness as well.
Believe it or not, these colourful sculptures are edible. They are the creations of Dr. Lee Man Wai, a scientist at Singapore Polytechnic's Food Innovation and Resource Centre. Using the latest breakthroughs in technology, she is creating food tailored to the exact caloric and nutrition needs of Singapore's senior citizens.
We wanted to look at personalized nutrition for a target group of people. So what we started off is basically looking at people with different lifestyles or otherwise looking at people with different health conditions.
To realize her vision, Dr. Lee collaborated with bioengineer Mark Wong to build a piece of wearable tech that can monitor a person's nutritional requirements.
What we have developed here at Singapore Polytechnic is what we call the InterSense system. It's in a form factor of a watch. The app, it's pulling data from the wearable. So this data can then be fed to algorithms to compute specialized individual nutrients that are customized for the individual. So a 3D printer could then use this data and print out the appropriate nutrient values suitable for that individual.
Dr. Lee's system is one of the first of its kind in Singapore, and perhaps the world, to pair wearable tech with 3D printing to create food with personalized nutritional values.
This particular printer actually has a beautiful way of allowing us to customize nutrition. So there should be probably a chicken rice that is actually high in calcium, some that is actually good for potassium and different types of vitamins and minerals that is custom.
While still an experimental prototype, the potential is staggering. This jelly packs a punch with the necessary nutrients for optimizing health and even preventing diseases.